We'll guide you through how to turn on or off Do Not Disturb on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, Do Not Disturb is a feature on the device that will go and silence notifications. So if you go and get a phone call, it won't go and ring, and if you go and get a text or another type of notification, it won't go and make a sound. This feature can be really convenient because perhaps you're going into an important meeting or function and you don't want your phone to go make a sound when you go and get a call or notification. So this will go and stop that. But alternatively, I found that I accidentally turn this on and I end up missing really important calls and messages because I don't go and hear and go and have them coming through. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn it on or off depending upon what you're trying to achieve. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's this full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So without any further ado, let's go and get right into this. So to go and get started, you can go and drag down. Here you'll go and see notifications, you can go and check them. But for the setting, you want to go and look at the top here. What we're looking for is a symbol with a circle with a line through it. If you can't see it there, drag down again to go and open up the full page. And you can go and swipe across here and go and locate Do Not Disturb. So this is the first place we can turn it on or off. Keep watching though. So if I go and tap on it, it's now turned on as it's highlighted. But if you want to go and turn it off, I can go and tap it like this and that will go and turn it off. That's the first way you can go and turn it on or off in here. Alternatively, you can go and do it in your settings. So you can swipe up and swipe across and go and find settings, or at the top, you can go and search for it and open it up. Now in here, you want to go down and find notifications and you want to come into here and you can then go and find Do Not Disturb and you'll go and find the switch here. So you can go and turn it on or off like so. That's it.